Hello everyone, welcome back to Pavli. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook lead ads for electric vehicle business. So I am the owner of an electric vehicle business and I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So I want that every time a new lead is generated in my Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, I need to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pably Connect. In Pably Connect, we require triggers and actions to start our automation process. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. I am using WhatsApp Cloud API to create a message template. If you want, you can use Wati and Interact. If you want to learn this automation process, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook lead ads. So I have an electronic vehicle dealership company in the name of Modern EV Vehicles, and I want that every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the customer a WhatsApp message will be forwarded. For that, I'm going to use Pably. So on the screen you can see I have opened the website of Pably, that is pably.com, and after browsing the website I'm going to sign into my Pably account. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pably account. After that, you can see the All Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 features of Pably, in which we are going to select Pably Connect by clicking on Access Now. As on the window, you can see the dashboard of Pably Connect, and for starting our automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button, Create Workflow. After that, another dialog box will appear in front of you, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to name my workflow as Modern EV Vehicles Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. Next, it is asking for me to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see there are multiple folders that I've created in my Pably account, and I want to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, I'm going to select Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp because I want to save my workflow in this folder. If you want to save in another folder, you can create a folder and save the workflow in that folder. After that, we need to click on Create to create our workflow. Now you can see we have created a workflow in the name of Modern EV Vehicles Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp, and you can see there are 2 windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these 2 steps. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step, whereas multiple action steps. So now I'm going to set up my trigger step. For that, I'm going to click on this arrow right over here. Now it is asking for me to choose my trigger application. As in the introduction, I've told you that trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select the application. After that, it is asking for me to select my trigger event, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pably Connect is going to capture the response. Now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect, I'm going to click on Connect. After that, another window appeared in front of you in which you have to select on Add New Connection, but if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, I'm going to click on Connect with Facebook lead ads. As you can see, I've successfully authorized my Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect. After that, it's asking for the page. So as in my Facebook account, I've already created a Facebook page of the name Modern EV Vehicles, and I want to run my Facebook lead ads through this page. For that, I'm going to go back to Pably and select the page as Modern EV Vehicles. After that, it is asking for lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form in the name of Modern EV Vehicles. So I'm going to select that lead gen form. If you want to learn how to create a lead gen form, please check out our YouTube channel. Next, after selecting our lead gen form on the page, we need to click on Save and Send Test Request. So I'm going to click over here. After doing that, as you can see right over here, it says waiting for webhook response. That means I have to submit a response and check whether Pably Connect is connected to Facebook lead ads or not. For that, I'm going to generate a lead. So I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool. If you want to learn how to have an access of lead ad testing tool, then check out our YouTube channel. After opening the lead ad testing tool, you can see first it is asking me for the page. So I'm going to select my business page. And next it is asking for the form, and I've created a form in the name of modern EV vehicle. So I'm going to select the page and the form. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. Then you can see a new window appeared in front of you in which it is asking for the email, full name and the phone number. So I'm going to fill in some dummy details. For the email, I'm going to enter dummyuser@pablitudes.com. For the full name, I'm going to write dummy user. And lastly, for the phone number, I'm going to type in a dummy phone number. So I've filled the form completely. Next, I'm going to click on next. And after that on submit. Now as you can see right over here, it says your test lead has been sent. So I'm going to go back to my Pabbly account and I'm going to check whether a response is captured by Pabbly or not. So right over here, as you can see, a response is captured. For the name, it says dummy user, a dummy email and a phone number. So that means we have successfully connected our Pabbly Connect with Facebook lead ads. So next we are going to set up our action step. For the action step, firstly it is asking me for my action application. So my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. After that, for the action event, I'm going to select send template message. So I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. As you can see right over here, this is the template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. And I want that every time a new lead is generated, automatically this template should be forwarded towards that lead. Automatically this template should be forwarded towards the customer who have generated the lead. So I'm going to go back to my Pabbly, and for connecting my Pabbly Connect with WhatsApp Cloud API, I'm going to click on connect. After that, a window will appear in front of you in which I'm going to select add new connection. And after that, you can see there are multiple fields in front of you which is asking for some details. Firstly, it is asking for a token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my API setup. So if you want to learn how to reach to an API setup, then check out our YouTube channel. So firstly, it is asking for the token right over here. So from this setup, I'm going to copy the temporary access token from here. And I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, it is asking for the phone number ID. So for the phone number ID, you can see it is present right over here. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste it right over here. Lastly, it is asking for the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy the WhatsApp business account ID from here. And I'm going to paste it right over here. So you can see I have filled all the details my Pabbly Connect was asking me for. So I'm going to next click on save. After that, so you can see we have connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. Next, it is asking me for the template name. So I have created a template in the name of modern EV vehicles. So I'm going to select template as modern EV vehicles. After that, it is asking for the language code and selected template ID. So these two information right over here is automatically filled with the help of Pabbly Connect. So you do not need to do anything with these two steps. Next, it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So for the recipient's mobile number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data from my previous trigger step. For that, I'm going to click over here, and then you can see our previous trigger step, that was Facebook lead ads new lead instant. So we are going to click right over here. After that, it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. For that, I'm going to select the mobile number present right over here. So I'm going to map this data. So mapping means insert data from previous step. That means every time there is going to be a new response submitted in my previous step, automatically this data right over here will be updated according to the response. That means whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the response right over here is going to update according to that lead. That means a new number is submitted, automatically over here the new number is going to be updated. So next, after filling the recipient's mobile number, it is asking for the body field 1. So in the template that I've created right over here, I've also created a variable, as you can see, next to hello. That means every time a new response is or a new lead is generated, according to the details or according to the data of the customer, over here the name of my customer should be updated. For that, I've created a variable. What I'm going to do is, in this place, I'm going to map the data again. So I want that right over here, every time a new template is forwarded, it should have the customer's name. For that, I'm going to map the data for the name of my customer. So as you can see right over here in the previous response, there is a name of my customer. So I'm going to map the data so that every time a new response is submitted in my Facebook lead ads, automatically over here the response should be updated accordingly. Next, after filling all the details that is required, I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as you can see right over here, a response is forwarded on a WhatsApp number. So I'm going to check whether a message is automatically forwarded to WhatsApp or not. For that, I'm going to go and open my WhatsApp. And as over here, you can see a WhatsApp message is forwarded. So you can see it says, hello dummy user, thank you for choosing us as your electronic car dealer. We are delighted to help you with all your queries. Soon an employee of our company is going to contact you. Thank you. Regards, Modern EV Vehicles. So you can see that a WhatsApp message is forwarded on the lead that was generated with the help of my Facebook lead ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit another dummy response. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open lead ads testing tool, and as you can see over here, it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So I have created a lead with the help of this form, but I can only create lead one at a time. For that, I have to delete a lead. For that, I'm going to click over here on delete lead. As you can see, it says your lead has been deleted. After that, I'm going to click on refresh to refresh the page. So after deleting and refreshing the page, I'm going to generate a new lead. But remember, this is a very important step to first delete the lead if there is an existing lead and then refresh the page, because if you don't follow these steps, then you will not be able to generate another lead. So now it is asking for me to select the page. So my page is Modern EV Vehicles, and after that the form is Modern EV Vehicles again. After selecting the form and page, I'm going to click on preview. After that, as you can see, a dialog box will then appear in front of you, which is asking for the email, full name and the number. So for the email, I'm going to type in as testuser@pablitudes.com, and for the full name I'm going to write it as test user, and lastly for the phone number I'm going to type in a dummy phone number. After filling all the details of this form, I'm going to click on next and then on submit. After submitting the lead right over here, I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new message is automatically sent on my WhatsApp or not. So I'm going to go back and check on my WhatsApp. And as over here you can see, a new message is forwarded on my WhatsApp as hello test user. Thank you for choosing us as your electronic car dealer. We are delighted to help you with all your queries. Soon an employee of our company is going to contact you. Thank you. Regards, Modern EV Vehicles. That means we've successfully connected Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp in such a way that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, automatically with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, a WhatsApp message will be forwarded towards that lead. So now to sum up the work that we have done till now, I have created a workflow in the name of Modern EV Vehicles Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp, and in this workflow I have chosen my trigger application as Facebook lead ads and my trigger event as new lead instant. That means every time a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically Pabli Connect is going to capture the response. After setting up my trigger step, next we'll move on to our action step. So for the action application, I have selected WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can create your message templates with the help of Vati, or if you want, you can create WhatsApp message templates with the help of Vati or Interact. So I have selected WhatsApp Cloud API as a template creator, and for the action event I have selected send template message. That means anytime a new lead is generated in our trigger step, automatically to that customer a WhatsApp message should be forwarded with the help of the template that I've created in my WhatsApp Cloud API. So this was the whole automation process that I've created between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. Hit on the like button, comment down below if there is any questions or queries that you have, and please share this video. So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabli Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabli.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabli.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabli Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.